Welcome. Today, I'm going to help you start your journey into meditation. Meditation is a simple practice that can bring peace and clarity to your life. Let's dive in and take this journey together. Step 1. Find your space. Choose a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. This could be a corner of your room, a spot in the garden, or a local park. Just somewhere you feel relaxed and at ease. Step 2. Get comfortable. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. You can sit on a chair, on the floor with a cushion, or lie flat on your back. The key is to keep your back straight and your body relaxed. Let your hands rest gently on your lap or by your sides. Step 3. Breathe deeply. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment, then slowly exhale through your mouth. Repeat this a few times, paying attention to the sensation of your breath. Feel the air filling your lungs and then gently leaving your body. Step 4. Focus your mind. Choose a point of focus. This could be your breath, a word or mantra, or a visualization like a peaceful scene. Whenever your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your point of focus. Don't worry about trying to empty your mind. It's natural for thoughts to come and go. Just gently guide your mind back each time. Step 5. End slowly. When you're ready to finish your meditation, take a moment to slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, stretch if you need to. Open your eyes and take a deep breath, feeling refreshed and calm. Meditation is a practice, and like any practice, it gets easier with time. Be kind to yourself and enjoy the journey. If you found this helpful, click subscribe for more mindfulness tips. Thank you for joining me today. Namaste.